Hello, today we're looking at problems 16 through 18. For problem 16, we are going to be factoring this, and then solving each factor for x. So x will either equal negative 1/5 or negative 3. For problems 17 and 18, you're supposed to give 3 positive answers. So make sure that they're all positive. So if we have sine of an angle, and it's going to equal 1/2, then it has to be in either quadrant 1 or quadrant 2 because it's positive. So the first time would be at pi over 6. The second time would be at 5 pi over 6. And the third time, we'd have to go all the way back around, and that would be at 13 pi over 6. So there are your 3 possible there are 3 of the possible solutions. For 18, we're going to have cosine. So remember, that's our x value. The x value is going to be negative root 3 over 2 at this point, which is 7 pi over 6. It will also be in quadrant 4 at 11 pi over 6. And for the last one, we have to go all the way around and then back to that third quadrant. And that's going to be at 19 pi over 6. So there are 3 solutions for each of those. If you have any questions on tonight's homework, please let me know. Otherwise, have a good weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.